Happy birthday 2-year-old box. What's that? Look at what else is in here. Come on, we'll open that after. You like that, huh? Look it. What's that? What's this? Thank you. What else do we got? Oh, cool. Will Skirter. It's a dog book, huh?